Ehururu egi eri omu kwegyesa Eminyeto kuruga omu district egi aha bintu nk'okutunga enkoko, okukora sabuni, okutunga za wakame, okutunga ebyenyanja hamwe na n'ebindi.
When you go to Chezere, there is a mother who is doing a lot of good work. Making some beads and selling and even making soap.
This is a Parish Entrepreneurship Learning Association. That's the association that sits on the level of their parish. And the parish is also required to have an association on the village level. That's what we call a VELA. It's a Village Entrepreneurship Learning Association. But all of them, they go through the same things. They do savings, they open a bank account, they register the saponte. They do each and everything that's required in the GLF program.
Kamukama Christine ori omunyamakuru omutendeke akasherera omurumo gwabura nokwekushara mu kwegita kitongore eki ekyamwegisa okukora sabuni.
Liquid soap na bar soap nibyo bintu ba training baitu aga magezi nkanta gaine
nyowe nkanta ine kinyine baitu sazina mbetu kubaliza mukamwange nyinguzire hembuzi mu myezi ege ina mara 8 ni ntunde sabuni sevinga bitebe nsobire kugura sola ya watsi kuna ya 5 kale birungi mbitungiremu nanye nifuna hakasente ninkasevinga omwana tiba kumubinga isomero nanye ni nyambaho.
Bwanyuma y'Eminyeto egi kutendekwa bakakwaturwaho n'ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirumu nk'enkoko, amashanyarazi g'izuba na rushikete sora na n'ebindi.
Ideally in meat nindinde enkoko ezenyama hati nkayumara na leta murundi ogundi na leta enkoko zange still nazantalibanizam kataito ruto ya kabiri bitana leta na ruto yako ya kasatu.
So I'm really very happy during this exercise. We have seen some parents appreciating and requesting that we go ahead with this exercise.
Omumakuru agandi Eminyeto eshabirwe kwe hari ibikorwa by'omwirima na no kwegarukamu baba bari abo kugeranya ensya nungi. Ebi n'ebindi bagambirwa ha Kereziya ya Kahunge Catholic Parish aha mukoro gwo kuhendera ekiterane ky'Eminyeto omu district ya Kamwenge.
Abagonzibwa engiga yokwegarukamu undiki omuntu gwo kwegarukamu nikimanyisa ngu obeire n'orubata omuhanda ogutasemerire hati okakyetegereza or you come back to your senses nogamba nangu ekindiyo ninkora kino tikikiri now you make a U-turn.
Ekiterane eki kyetabirwemu Eminyeto erikurenga omu rukaga.
Sima Honorable Karungi nawe akajya tugambira hano omwana wa yusi Omunyeto obe omuntu w'amazima omuntu w'amananu mahura tuba amananu tuba amazima.
Sima abebembezi bono mu mahika gatali kufana akuba Kahunge Parish twine sub parishes mushanju ngeno buli sub parish egereza kusindika omwebembezi kutiri kubasika yasindika abana kandi abana bijana ebyo kweyambisa mu conference kwetambira.
Ekiterane eki nikiteekateekwa kwija kubaho buri mwaka.
Mukama habe nainywe.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire na Anthony Atwine.